Mastering conditionals. Zero and first conditionals in reported speech. Hello learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting and important aspect of English grammar, reported speech. But we're not stopping there. We'll specifically focus on exceptions to tense backshifting when it comes to conditional sentences. We'll take a closer look at the zero and first conditionals. This might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step for you. First, let's do a quick recap of conditionals. In English, we use conditional sentences to express situations based on certain conditions. The two types we're focusing on today are the zero conditional and the first conditional. The zero conditional is used for things that are always true, like scientific facts. Example: if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. The first conditional is used for real and possible situations. Example: if it rains, I will stay at home. In reported speech, we usually backshift the tenses. For example, the present simple tense changes to the past simple. However, there are exceptions to this rule, which we are going to learn now. Now, here's where things get interesting. When it comes to reporting zero and first conditionals, we do not backshift the tenses. Why is that? Because these conditionals describe general truths, zero conditional, or likely future events, first conditional. These truths or future possibilities don't change just because we're reporting them later. Here are examples to illustrate this. Direct speech. Zero conditional. The professor said, if you mix these chemicals, they explode. First conditional. She said, if it's sunny tomorrow, I'll go to the beach. Reported speech. Zero conditional. The professor said that if you mix those chemicals, they explode. First conditional. She said that if it's sunny tomorrow, she'll go to the beach. Notice how the tenses remained the same when we shifted to reported speech. And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to handle zero and first conditionals in reported speech. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any aspect of a language. So, keep practicing and soon these grammar rules will become second nature. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.